Oh, shoot. Microphone didn't work again. I guess I'll have to add in some Foley sounds. Chop, chop. Clank, 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 clank. Pop. Crack. Click. Click. Sk, 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 sk. Weak. 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 Tipsy bench, 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 tipsy bench. Bop. Oh, look at that. We got sound again. One done. One little one. Okay, next up. Yeah, I'm not gonna force you to watch me banging my head against the wall. Let's move on. And finally. That's what I'm looking for right there. Ow. It's still heavy. too tight. Happy day. Happy, happy. So there you have it, and man, it feels good to actually be building something again in the shop. I am having a ton of fun with this. This is like about 4 days of straight work in the shop, and I love this. So yeah, all of the joinery is basically done on the bench. The next step is going to be doing all the last little details on these pieces, and then the glue up, getting the bench up in place, putting the vices on, and then we can start putting on the 2 leg vices. We got to build a bottom for it. We got to drill the dog holes. There's a lot more to come on this, but I'm looking forward to the next one when I can actually flip it up and turn it into a functioning bench. So stay tuned. But if you have any questions, thoughts, ideas, snide remarks, or would just like to say, let me know that down in the comments down below. Thank you. It does help out the channel. Anytime you like, comment, share, subscribe, all that stuff. Now, I do have to say, there are a bunch of people over there. Those are some of the patrons on Patreon. And we're about to be changing up a few things over on Patreon, adding a few benefits over there, such as free plans every month and a couple other things. So if you want to find out more about that, head over to Patreon. Otherwise, stay tuned and we're going to have some fun. So I think that'll do it for now. And until next time, have a wonderful day. This bench project is just making me all out of joint.